Now we shall come to the awarding of winners for the best in talent. The talent competition was held yesterday at the PITA grounds. Mr. Talent, may I ask Mr. Danny Campo to present the award for Mr. Talent. May we call on Mr. Danny Campo and Ms. J. Senenza to present the award for the winner for Mr. Talent. Mr. Talent goes to candidate number 7, representing red team, Mr. Alan Paul San.
And this year, our Miss Talent is no other than candidate number 6, Allen Belva from Red Team. Congratulations, candidate number 7 and candidate number 6. And now, may I ask Mr. Sanchez and Miss Mercy Belga to present the award for Mr. and Miss Photogenic. Our Mr. Photogenic for this year is no other than candidate number 5, Mark Biron from Black Team.
This year's Miss Photogenic is Miss Sarah May Bongkaras from Red Team.
Denkies!
Congratulations, candidates number 3 and 5.
And now you may now proceed to your dressing room and prepare for the next exposure.